Japanese cuisine, the signature ingredients. There is a pretty good reason why Japanese food is one of the best cuisines in the whole world. Washoku, Japanese cooking, emphasizes balance and variety. This amazing cooking is achieved with using 5 colors: green, yellow, red, white, and black. 5 techniques: frying, boiling, steaming, grilling, and raw food, and also 5 different flavors: bitter, sour, salty, spicy, and sweet. What's interesting is that you might even find these principles in just one meal, like 3 sides, soup, and rice. Now you see why Japanese cuisine is prized, and if you are one of many people who enjoy home-cooked Japanese meals, you must have the right introduction to their signature ingredients. Wasabi. This is a root that is used in sushi as a condiment. It has a hot and strong flavor. It can be bought as a paste or in tins as powder. However, traditionally it is grated before eating. Wakame. Seaweed with a somewhat sweet flavor. Udon noodles. These are thick, neutral flavor wheat noodles. Sushi vinegar. This is vinegar that is used to flavor cooked rice for sushi. This vinegar is, in fact, rice vinegar, but it contains sugar and salt. Soy sauce. Today, almost all households have this sauce. It is made from boiled soybeans, which are then roasted, grained, and then brined. Its basic taste is known as umami, a savory and pleasant taste. However, there are 5 different types, and each has its own different ingredients and also a different production method. Saishi komi. This is twice brewed sauce. It is darker and has a stronger flavor. Shiro, translated, means white. Compared to tamari, this one is mostly wheat and less soybean. This gives it a sweet taste and light appearance. Tamari. A richer and darker compared to koikuchi, and it is used usually for sashimi. The best part about tamari is that it can be used by people who have gluten intolerance. In fact, it is also considered as an original soy sauce. Because it is very similar to soy sauce. It is a type with weaker taste. It is plain and saltier soy sauce and also light in color when compared to koikuchi. Koikuchi. A thick flavored soy sauce, which has a lot of soy sauce, about 80%. In fact, this is the plain or standard type that you can find in Japanese restaurants. Soba Noodles. Made from buckwheat with a rich nutty flavor. Some might have wheat in them. Make sure to check the label if you are looking for gluten-free. Sake, alcoholic beverage that is traditional to Japanese culture. In some cases, it is called rice wine because the base is fermented rice. The 2 types are Tokute Meisho Shu and Futsu Shu. Futsu Shu is a table wine, while Tokute Meisho Shu is a premium variety. Rice vinegar. The Japanese version of rice vinegar is not so strong compared to Chinese rice vinegar. It has a sweet and very milky flavor, used for flavoring sushi, plain rice, or other similar dishes. Rice. Japanese cuisine uses only short grain rice. Ramen. These are long noodles made from wheat. Potato starch. This starch is gluten-free and highly white. It is used for absorbing excess moisture because it has a neutral taste. Also, it gives that crunch factor to tempura. Nori, seasoned and toasted edible seaweed. It is used for sushi and onigiri. It is also used for noodle and soups as a garnish. Miso. A seasoning paste made from barley, rice, and/or soybeans. It is perfect for soups and salad dressings. You can find 3 different miso: red, white, and mixed. Each has its own appearance, texture, and flavor. The white is sweeter compared to the mixed and red. Mirin. Essential condiment, wine made from sticky rice. It is used for cooking. Kombu, dried kelp, perfect for dashi stock. Its appearance is thicker than the nori, but it shouldn't be consumed because it requires reconstituting in warmer water before use. Furikake, dried condiment that is sprinkled over rice. It is made from ground and dried seaweed, sesame seeds, fish, and salt. Dried shiitake. This is one amazing edible mushroom. It is native and it is prized for its flavor. Daikon. With lightly peppery flavor, daikon can be pickled, cooked, or eaten raw. From now on, you are ready to start preparing Japanese traditional food. Let the tasty aroma spread through your home. As a Japanese food lover, you probably already know what dish you will make after learning about the basic but very important Japanese ingredients.